Exactly. I wasn't for the stadium. I was against it. They're supposed to be good. They're supposed to be good here.
Like they're doing great for now in the beginning.
They're supposed to be good. They always had the best fireworks in the county. Had it for years. I'm a governor.
How high is they going to think it is? 300 feet?
I don't know, to me that's like, doesn't seem that high. That one probably.
So ours going to go up to? That's high.
I don't know.
I think it's 175 feet right there.
I don't know. Probably as high as that one. I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll know. We'll know another time.
175 feet.
You know what I'll have to do? I'll have to bring my drone around and go up to 175 feet and see how high it is. That's all I'll do. Boom! I knew it.
I think you'll have purpose.
Yeah.
Bring it done. That's they call it done one, right? They call it done?
Nah, I don't think it's. I think that's on purpose.
They do that on purpose?
Yeah. Retards. Okay, it's my vehicle. I have to get hand wipes in her eyes. We'll see. Oh, they retards. I miss the days going to farms.
Yeah.
We had good times.
It's closed now, isn't it?
Closed, but somebody else owns it now. It's called, I don't know, it's called Serendipity now.
What's it called?
Serendipity, something weird like yeah. Yeah, Cabbage Patch got in a lot of trouble. Oh, it stinks.
Smell the sulfur.
Oh,
Sulfur in it.
yes.
Like fireworks. Like smell it?
No. I got a good sense of smell. Boom. They're not duds. They're on purpose for that.
I like it. Oh, yeah. They do that?
Shakes the ground. Keith and Henry, what the hell? Yeah, and shoot him off. There. Yeah. We'll mess you with a drone. I'll have to get more wood tomorrow. It's like a freaking bomb going off.
I like that. Yeah.
I was young, I hated it. No, I'm not racing out of here. I'm not racing out of here. My luck, my car will get hit. That's why I want to go back to Darien Lake. I haven't been to Darien Lake since 1998. That'd be cool to stay at that campground you and your mom did down to Six Flags Great Escape. I want to jinx it, but we haven't got bit up yet. Yeah, it's
Smells
not
good, sulfur.
to me. Oh, I got a good sense of smell though. I don't. Oh, makes me gag. Well, that's a good. It's not a bad thing. Get some mosquitoes away from us. She's a cougar. You ever heard that saying? A cougar means the older woman likes the younger man. Yeah, that's what that means. I don't know what they call for a guy. For a woman's a cougar. Been going on for almost 10 minutes. That's one of my favorite, them weeping willows. fireworks. Too small. Rigged up for him. No, I wanted them boards. I didn't want them mortars to fall down. So that's all we need is one to tip over. You have to get that hose ready too. Hope you guys got a hose. Well, that kind of toys, we gotta have it. Toys. Big mortars. Yeah, I'll have to bring that drone out, see how far 175 feet is. Cheap. No, I just wanted to get one firework at a fireworks tent. See, all that smoking. Wow, look at all that smoke. Oh my God, Peter, you got fireworks. Yeah. Oh, that was bright. That little one. Well, leave and we can go bathroom and said these people can all leave and we'll go bathroom we have to, or we just smoke or whatever. I'm not fighting to get out of here. They've been going on almost 15 minutes. Oh, people should check. I hope not. I hope not too much. I don't care if it cools off. I hope not a lot. I don't like it.
Highway up.
I don't like it. I don't like it really. I can't stand the cold weather. I don't know if people like it. Anything below 50, I hate.
I like this 75.
Nah, I like it hotter. For 90 degrees, 0 humidity. That's why it's been so hot. Freaking humidity. Hope your backyard's not flooded. Mortars. Ethan Henry, what the hell? Yeah, he's doing the 4th of July, his. Hope this don't run out of friggin' space. It's fun though, the phone don't run out of space. I don't have much space on this, and it's been going on almost 17 minutes. Yeah, because I'm recording it. I don't know. Sometimes. Toys. Toys. Oh, it's all over. Yeah. Wow, I wish you'd hurry up. I don't have a lot of space left in this phone. Is that it?
Hold it real quick, hurry up. No, the seat's moving. Yeah, she's recording. I think they're moving.
Yeah. He's out of here.
I like this thing. I don't know, but when they...
I can smell that.
Oh, the sulfur?
Yes. Come on. Yep, this thing runs out of battery. Knock off, faggots. Oh, faggots. No point to that. We're gonna get out of here, people. You can. Yeah, I don't know why some people are leaving. Yeah, people leaving now. It don't bother me. this one.
That was a good one on it. That was a good one.
Yeah. I didn't think they were done. Good. They're real good.
That's it, eh?
Yeah, but that was good. Oh. I think they're done. Over and out to the next one. Gouverneur, New York fireworks.
I like the end, don't you?
Yeah.